My name's James. I'm part of the Baxi training team. This Training Tuesday is all about how to wire up the Baxi 600-800 Combi System 2s. The first thing we need to do is take the cover off the boiler. 2 screws underneath, pull forwards, just lift up slightly and we're off. Now we can pull the front down and we can access the gland at the back where the cable's going to come through. So if we loosen the gland off underneath, and then we can pull the red plug out of the gland. This plug is to make sure that it stays rub sealed if we're not putting a cable through that particular gland. So we've got the cable here, and now we're going to thread it through the gland. So we push the cable through the gland, making sure we pull it up with plenty of spare. Now we need to open the yellow controls cover. It'll just hinge back, exposing the plugs that we need to connect. So now we're going to remove the plug so we can wire into it. Make sure you keep the plug in the same orientation it came out so we know where our live and neutral go. So we get our cable. I'll get the live, and the live goes furthest to the right, so we'll put our live cable in. Let's tighten that up. Making sure we give the cable a tug to make sure it's in. Next one is the neutral. Once again, pull the neutral, make sure it's in. Lastly, but not leastly, the earth, as it is our safety, and we will tighten that up. And make sure that is tight. Now, if we just unclip the cover, we can make sure we thread our cable through the cutout that's been provided, clip our cover back on, and plug our wiring back in. Now that's done, we'll close the cover and put the front up. And now we're going to tighten the gland back up. I hope you've enjoyed this Training Tuesday. For any other information on any of our products, please visit baxi.co.uk/training.